Hey guys, guess what? It's Tuesday again, so I'm back with another tool review. Well, I don't know if this is going to necessarily be a review, but we'll see here. Because it's more of an update on a previous review, and I will let you know a little bit more how it goes tomorrow. But the previous review was on my, yep, that's right side up, my SnapOn ratchet. Now, you can see, I don't know if you can see the part number, it's not wanting to, but it is the model CTR 714. Now, I was using this thing the other day on a job, and the darn thing would stall out. I'd be using it, and all of a sudden, it would be working properly, and then it would stall, and you'd hit the button, and it wouldn't do anything. So, and I thought, okay, maybe the battery was dead. So I switched batteries. I had one on charger. I pulled it off the charger, stuck it directly in it. Nothing. Took the same batteries out of it, put them in my 3/8 impact, and the impact worked fine. So the batteries weren't dead. And then I went back and I was trying to use it for something else, and it was doing the same thing. But if I let it set for a second, then it would work fine again. So my SnapOn dryer, my SnapOn man is going to be here tomorrow, so I'm going to pass it off to him because I've only had this thing maybe a month now, give or take a little bit. If it's been that long, might only be 2 weeks. So I'm going to pass it off to him and see if I can't warranty it out. And while he's here, I'm also going to have to warranty out one of my favorite ratchets. This is my SnapOn, my little baby. Well, I say little baby. It is a, fairly decent size. Let's see. It is the TLL. I don't know if you can see that. It's really reflective. The TLL 72. It's a quarter drive. I was using it, running some bolts down on a starter Saturday, and I don't know if it was just so stinking cold out or if this thing already had a slight crack in it or what the deal was, but I snapped the tip completely off of it. So first time I've ever done that with any ratchet, but that one I'm sure he'll rebuild that one because it just needs that new tip. The rest of the ratchet works fine, but I just figured I'd throw that out there because I don't think I've done a review on that ratchet. I have, however, done a review on the cordless ratchet, and I was raving about it. Well, I'm having issues with it, so I'm going to swap it out and see if I get a new one that's any better. Now, on a lighter note, apparently this weekend or whatever has been hard on ratchets because this morning, you can see how floppy that is. The Torx bolt, that if I can get focus, the Torx bolt right there, this thing had a whole bunch of oil and crud and grease built up in it. So this morning I took it apart because it was getting really floppy and I didn't want to just keep trying to torque on it, tighten it. So I took it all apart, cleaned it up inside of there, put it back together, went to tighten it up, screw stripped. So this is my channel lock. I don't know, basically, but it's a channel lock ratchet. I've had it for, say a year and a half now. Love it. One of my favorite ratchets, second only to that flex head quarter drive. So I'm guessing the next day or so I'm going to take it back where I got it and see if I can return it too, because it should be lifetime warranty. And like I said, guys, I'll let you know how that goes. But tomorrow I am going to try and warranty this one out or get them to do something with it. And same with this ratchet. So anyhow, not really a review this week, but it is an update because I know on the quarter drive cordless ratchet, I was really raving about the thing. So when I had an issue with it, I wanted to make sure I got it up there quick. That way anybody that's interested in it, you see I am having an issue with this. It is not running 100% perfect. So hopefully that'll get resolved. And I figured I'd throw up about the little ratchet there. It's just kind of a bummer to me because I really like that little quarter drive ratchet. My two flex head ratchets, I just love them. So anyhow, guys, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Love to hear what you think. Anyhow, Hope to see you on the next one. Have a nice evening.